How's that feeling on the stomach?
Okay.
Okay?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah.
All right. If it starts hurting at all, just let me know. Okay, so is there any tenderness right through here? On this right side? Yep, right there. And then how's this side? Any tenderness here?
Oh, right
okay. All right, so we found our spot. So to adjust the pelvis, we're going to bring this side in towards you and then this left side out to help with the rotation here. So I'm going to tighten this up. And this comes across. Is that pressure okay?
Yep.
All right, 2 more. And 1 more here. Perfect. Any change through here? Still a little sore in there? Okay, a couple more. Good, and 1 more here. All right. Any change on that side? Okay, good. And then we come up to L3. Tenderness here at all? Not bad? Good. And then up through here, any tightness when I push straight down? A little bit there. Okay. So I'm going to do some really gentle drops on this area, loosening up this. And this is going to come straight down. You ready?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Good. That pressure okay?
Mm-hmm.
All right. 2 more. And 1 more here. Perfect. Okay. Any change through there?
It feels,
A little looser? Okay, good. Okay, and now right here, 1 little push down. Small breath in, all the way out. Good. Beautiful. You felt that one?
Yep.
Good. Okay. And now that you're here, I'm going to use the massager along the mid-back to help with the tightness through here, okay? So it's on a gentle setting. Is this pressure okay? All right. Good. Now, go ahead and flip over onto your back. Any tenderness here on this left side when I push? Right in there?
Not so much. No.
Okay. And how about through here?
That right there.
That one here. And then down just below that, any tenderness there?
No, not really.
Okay, so just right here, we're going to do a gentle rotation, allowing your head to rest right here. And this is going to lift up, okay? Couple clicks here. And now 1 right there. Good. And I'm gently going to bring your head back to center and do a little pull up toward me. That pressure okay?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Where do you feel that more though? Yep.
Right there.
Yep, I felt that one too. So for this one, we're going to do another gentle rotation and allowing your head to rest here. And this is going to come up and over from behind. So just like this. 1 more, ready?
Mm-hmm.
Perfect. And now bring your head back to center. Very good. And another little lift. Here, that one's still tight. So we're going to do a little stretch. Good. All right. Is that calming down at all through there?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, perfect. All right. You can slowly stand and see how this feels. Good. And if you want to grab my hand, I can help you up. Perfect. All right.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Feeling good?
Yeah.
Perfect.